Yeah, I'm still here because yes, my house is still being renovated and kailangan naman palayasin niya pag dito, nandito yung anak niya sa akin, diba? So yeah, it's going to be done soon and I can't wait to move out.
Ellen Adarna ipinaalam din sa publiko at sa mga netizens na ipinabarangay daw niya si Mr. Derek Ramsey. Hindi lang isang beses, kundi 2 beses daw silang nagpabaranggayan. At hanggang ngayon nga ay sa bahay pa rin ni Derek Ramsey nakatira itong si Ellen Adarna. Ito ang kanyang revelation. Panoorin at kung hindi pa nakasubscribe, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep you updated.
Pinabarangay ko siya dahil twice. Yeah, not once, but twice. Yeah, but we had an agreement that this was like months ago, maybe 3 months ago. But we had an agreement that he won't come back until I move into my new place. Total, I'm gonna be gone forever. So just give me until my place is done. And there. He was sent an invite, okay? He chose not to go. He was playing first.
Marami kasi ang nakapansin na familiar pa rin ang background kung saan nagtitiktok itong si Ellen Adarna. Marami ang familiar sa lugar kung saan si Ellen Adarna nakapwesto. Kaya naman, hindi napigilan ng mga netizens na magtanong kung nasa bahay pa siya ni Derek Ramsey at kung paano niya napaalis itong si Derek Ramsey. Kaya naman umabot sila sa baranggayan dahil nga dito. Kailangan nilang magstay ng kanyang mga anak sa bahay na ito hanggang hindi pa natatapos ang bagong bahay na siyang ipinarenovate.
Yes, my house is still being renovated and kailangan naman palayasin niya pag dito, nandito yung anak niya sa akin, diba? So yeah, it's going to be done soon and I can't wait. Pinabarangay ko siya dahil twice. Yeah, not once, but twice. Yeah, but we had an agreement that this was like months ago, maybe 3 months ago. But we had an agreement that he won't come back until I move into my new place. Total, I'm gonna be gone forever. So just give me until my place is done. And there. He was sent an invite, okay? He chose not to go.
Marami nga ang humahanga sa pagiging strong ni Ellen Adarna. Marami din ang nagtatanong kung nag-apologize nga daw itong si Mr. Derek Ramsey sa kanya. Ito ang kanyang sagot sa mga tanong, walang atrasan.
Blames everything, everyone but himself. Yeah. He was able to convince his friends and people that it's my postpartum. There's also one, he's convinced that an ex-girlfriend made him kulam. Like, all of a sudden there was this bowl of salt with garlic in it, and me and my friends and helpers before, like, ano to? Like, bakit may ganyan? Ba't may salt? Bakit may bowl of salt with garlic? And then sinabi ng isang katulong, ay, pinalagay dyan kasi daw baka may nang kulam. So, parang pang-antay-kulam. So, blame it on the kulam. Vexed. Witchcraft. To be honest, I know, because during the relationship in the beginning, I was made to believe that this side chick was just a friend, and then yeah, that what I felt was not real, that I was just acting jealous or crazy. So when I found out about it 3 weeks ago, I felt validated, like, oh my god, justice, oh my god, it's real, oh my god, I was right all along. Imagine all these years I felt like parang, diba, parang I was gaslighted. So, yeah, I was right. My intuition was right. And you know what? The truth, no matter what, comes out in so many ways. So, there. Lumabas din.
Ngayon naman ay may ginawa si Mr. Derek Ramsey sa kanyang bahay. Naglagay ng isang platong asin na may bawang sa mismong gitna ng lamesa. Naghihinala si Mr. Derek na siya ay nakukulam daw at pantabo ito ng masasamang elemento.
Nandito yun. Baka explain, may di ba? Hindi kapon? Huh? So anyway, paka-explain kung ano yan sa mga may alam ng mga white magic, black magic, whatever. Yang mabuang dun ko ito time. So dungan ani nga time sa toyo garlic sa garlic salt niya. Nato time nga gipa-blessing ang balay. So the next day siya dito yung nakick out. Kina-issue ang BPO. So, insang evil spirit.
Siya!
Natawa na naman dito. Nagkatawa dun dito na hala. Susato po siya dito. Evil spirit kay gahapon, gapa-blessing na nagpabutang adtong asin o kuan. Huwag tangan siya kalit.
Minention din ni Ellen Adarna ang patungkol naman sa hindi pagpunta o pag-attend ni Mr. Derek Ramsey sa first birthday ng kanilang uni kaiha. Ito ang sagot ni Ellen Adarna.
He was sent an invite, okay? He chose not to go. He was playing frisbee or golf somewhere. Yeah, so important, right? Yeah, so there, he was sent an invite and just two of his family went, his sister and his nephew. That's it. He had a choice. We all have a choice. No one put a gun in his head and told him not to go. Yeah.